Hey guys, what's happening? How to send someone your referral code on Kraken. So access your Kraken account, and then what you're gonna do, just go ahead and click your account settings at the top left. Okay. And in the account settings, you're gonna see somewhere the referral code or the referrals section. Just press it. Afterwards, you can share or invite friends using your referral link, right? And you can share the referral link with your friend through your preferred method of communication: email, messaging app, social media, etc. Now, I want to notify that not every country or region have that feature. So just like in the screenshot, if you have that feature, you're gonna see it here in the account settings in the referrals section, right? And from there you can generate a link or address to invite friends to sign up with Kraken. Okay, so if your friend completes the required actions like funding their account and making a trade, both of you will receive the referral bonus. So don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.